I'm Data Driven Doug. I'm bypassing the 8-minute ad trap through focused, interconnected videos. They're designed to deliver the data and get you out before any trigger. Subscribe for the substance. Let's get into it. The focus on GLP-1 research is expanding from the pancreas to the brain. Alzheimer's is increasingly categorized as type 3 diabetes. Since the brain requires significant energy to clear up metabolic waste, an inability to effectively use glucose leads to a breakdown of the cleanup process. This accelerates the accumulation of amyloid plaques and tau tangles, which are physical drivers of dementia symptoms. Current data suggests that GLP-1 receptors can restore insulin signaling and improve glucose metabolism in the hippocampus and cortex, potentially addressing the root metabolic cause of this buildup. Research and data is evolving rapidly. Results from the ELAD trial showed that the GLP-1 drug liraglutide could reduce cognitive decline by as much as 18% over a year as compared to placebo. More importantly, MRI data showed that participants on the drug had nearly 50% less loss in areas of the brain vital for memory and decision making. As I said, research is moving quickly. The larger EVOKE and EVOKE Plus trials, concluded in late 2025, provide a more complex picture. These studies involved almost 4,000 participants and found that oral semaglutide did not significantly slow clinical progression as compared to placebo. Despite the clinical outcome, there were still measurable improvements in Alzheimer's related biomarkers, including markers for brain swelling and nerve cell damage. This suggests that while GLP-1 acts as a shield, it is not enough as a standalone treatment for any stage of disease progression. The data is shifting the conversation, however, towards combination therapies, using GLP-1 to fix the metabolic failure in the brain, while other treatments target the physical plaques characterized by this condition. And that's the data for the segment. Another video is ready when you are. I'm Data Driven Doug. Don't guess, data test.